The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Wiko Ride 3 for Boost Mobile. So this is a third generation of the Wiko Ride service for Boost Mobile. This is a new budget smartphone for Boost Mobile. It's available now. It's currently on sale. It's $65 off. It's available now for $34.99. Like I said, it's on sale. The full retail price of the Wiko Ride 3 is $99.99. So, like I said, this is a budget smartphone, and there are some good things about it, and there are also some bad things about this phone, of course. So, there's the front right there. Pretty, nice looking phone. Looks like any other phone today. That's pretty nice. The design is pretty modern and newer, so pretty good there. So this is a fun to find hand. Like I said, you guys said. You guys will have to take that much for the front facing camera. I do like the wallpaper, very colorful wallpaper there. Power and volume keys will be on the side of the phone now. On the back of the Wiko Ride 3 is your dual camera setup. Very nice layout here on the back. Dual camera. It also has a camera flash right here on the bottom of the layout, and it has a Wiko logo and it's available in this greenish color. Very nice looking phone overall, and the speaker right here on the back. So very nice looking phone in my personal opinion. Phone does look very nice, and I think you have a headphone jack on top of the phone now, so it's a pretty nice feature to have. There's a headphone jack right there on top of the phone. Also, the phone does look very nice. There's the right side of it. You guys have your volume keys and power button. There's the left side. The left side don't have anything. Left side you have, this is the right side, excuse me. You guys have your volume keys, power button. That is it on the right side. And you guys do have little notch. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Yeah, so I think the back does come off, so pretty interesting there. So it says here, Wiko Ride 3 comes with a cinema size display to watch all your favorite videos, yet comfortable to hold in one hand. Capture great photos with the 5 megapixel front-facing camera and 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual-facing camera for flash that you would want to share. Take control of your data, apps, media on the latest Android 11 to customize your phone. So that's very awesome. So for $35, you're getting a phone with Android 11 on it. So that's a fucking win right there. Wiko Ride 3 is upgraded to keep you on the go. So yeah, the specs on here are not too bad. This is a budget phone for $35. You really can't, expect a whole lot, but it does have a 6.89 inch display. Very interesting screen size there. 13 megapixel main rear camera. Dual cameras in the back. 16 hours of talk time. 32 gigabytes of storage and Android 11 on the board. Of course, how's it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive and pick up on it and activate online. 6.89 inch HD plus display. What a weird screen size, but I seem crazy. So it's the display. It's a aspect ratio. I think it's 18:9 or 20:9 or something like that. And just have the HD plus display, so that's a 720p display. So it should look decent enough for the price. It says that you will love the large display to watch your favorite videos, to reading your emails, great photos. I don't know how great you'll get it with this camera, but it should be okay, I guess. It says take awesome photos with the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras. You will want to share on social media or frame. 2 GHz octa-core processor, fast and smooth multitasking while playing games or watching videos. So, 3400 mAh battery, power efficient battery to stay connected longer to keep you on the go. So this is a pretty decent sized battery. 32 gigabytes ROM and 3 gigabytes of RAM, so that's a win. Patchwork speed, so you can play more and store more. Android 11, so that's like the biggest thing about the phone here is Android 11 for $35. That's a win. Customize your phone with the latest Android and explore features to manage conversation, app control, security updates, and much more. I don't know if this one will be Android 12. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. It has Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Playing add-on is required for that to work, obviously. Voice roaming capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming, so that's a very nice feature to have. If you guys are stuck somewhere, if you guys don't have no code or whatever, that would be a great emergency tool there. It also has mobile hotspot, so that's a win there. So it says, hey, don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access spares per plan. So yeah, like the biggest selling point of the phone is an Android 11. So it's very unheard of. So Wiko is doing a great job with that in terms of like software and stuff like that. So you guys have a 3400 mAh battery, 16 hours of talk time. The battery is removable, so that's very nowadays that battery can be removed, so you can add extra batteries to this and have multiple batteries for backup and stuff like that. So the battery can be replaced and be removed and all that. And I think your micro SD card and some card slot is on the back of the phone, so you're gonna take the back off, and your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the inside of the phone or where the battery is. So that's a pretty rare feature now that batteries can be removed. So yeah, that's pretty cool there. You also get 13 gigabytes of RAM and 3 gigabytes of RAM, so pretty decent there. 2 gigahertz optical, 2 gigahertz. Wait a minute, this thing says, where was it? It says octa-core. I think it's 2 gigahertz octa-core processor. I don't know if it's quad-core down here. It says 2 gigahertz processor. It's an octa-core chipset. Quad-core processors is like fading out now. Like all the brands that are coming out now are octa-core processors now. So it doesn't matter at budget phone, factory phone, or whatever. Octa-core processor is the thing now. Has Android 11, which is very surprising to me for $35. You don't see a lot of budget phones now with Android 11. You might get it with Android 10, but Android 11 just makes it better. I don't know if this one's the Android 12 or not. I'm not really sure. So yeah, it's pretty cool that this one comes with Android 11. That's pretty fucking cool. Cameras, you get a dual camera on the back of 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel dual rear-facing camera and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. That's in the 2 megapixel is your depth sensor, I guess. You do get a 6.09 inch IPS HD plus display that is a 720 by 1560 pixel resolution. Pretty weird screen size there, but you know, I've seen weirder, right? Dimensions are 6.26 inches height, 2.91 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Wiko Ride 3 weighs 5.96 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Wiko Ride 3 is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, headphone jack, and the biggest con about this phone, it has micro USB charging, so that is a big con. Like I was praising the phone that has Android 11 and all that good stuff, but now the biggest con about the phone is it has micro USB charging, so no Type-C on board on this, so that's a big con. Cause like, why put a micro USB charging port? It's 2021. Why would you do that? It makes no sense to me. I get it's a budget thing, but dude, that's like the biggest con about the phone is that it has a micro USB charging. So don't expect Type-C on this. It's micro USB, unfortunately. Big con now. What comes in the box is your Wiko Ride 3 smartphone USB cable. That's a micro USB cable. Charger, safety and warranty booklet. So, pretty standard stuff. Nothing special in the box. If you guys need help with your Wiko Ride 3, Boost Mobile has you covered with that with the device support, which is a great tool. It says here, want to know everything to HTML about this phone? Run everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So device support is a great tool to have. So if you guys need to learn how to do something on your phone, device support can help you out. It can help you out besides Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, learn how to manage your apps and stuff like that, and anything to do with your phone, device support can help you out with that. So, there you guys have the Wiko Ride 3 is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $34.99. It's currently on sale, $65 off. The full retail price is $99.99, so not bad for this phone here. Pretty nice looking phone. The phone does look very nice. Pretty decent specs. There is a con though. The biggest con of the phone is it has micro USB charging. Like the biggest part about the phone, of course, it has Android 11. That's like unheard of right now in budget phones at this price. You do get Android 11 and you get a removable battery, so there's two big pros right there. So it's a nice looking phone, pretty decent specs, and yeah, it's an overall nice looking phone too, you know. But the biggest problem, like I said, it has a micro USB charging, which hopefully the next generation will have a Type-C charging. We'll have to wait and see. So yeah, there you guys go. The Wiko Ride 3 now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.